Peace Divines. Welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and I look forward to you becoming a subscriber and even becoming a member to the Montauk Avenue family. Today I am making a juice, a green juice, and a simple green juice. And today this video is about anxiety. As we all know, this is something that is very common in society, and wellness of course plays an intricate role in us being balanced in our emotions and our mental state. And I wanted to honor that and just share a simple recipe for anxiety and information as well. And today I'm going to be using some kale, and I'm not going to use a lot of kale today. I'm going to use some celery, and I'm going to use some green apple, and I'm going to use a bit of parsley and some lime. And this recipe, you definitely can do different variations and tweak it and do other things, and it can definitely still be very beneficial for anxiety. I know that it is very good to make sure there's vitamin C, to balance out the green drinks that you want to make. But then you can also make a totally different juice, with oranges and pomegranates and berries that are definitely great for anxiety, fruits and vegetables. And I will definitely be sure to share that information as well. And so I'm using the Nama J2 juicer that I of course love and I'm so grateful for. And I am going to put the soft ingredients first, because when you're dealing with the Nama juicer, you want to put the soft ingredients in first. And I've already washed. Make sure that you wash and you cut your fruits and veggies according to the juicer that you have. Since I'm using the Nama juicer, I cut the apple up and I remove the seeds, and I remove the skin of the lime. If you would like to see my other juicing videos, I will be very happy for you to see my other juicing videos. Be sure to check those videos out. And so first I'm going to put some parsley in. I'm not going to use too much parsley for this recipe. Just a bit, just a little bit. And then I'm going to take a little bit of kale. Just a little bit of kale. And I am going to take a good handful. I'm definitely going to put the lime in this batch. And I'm going to take like 1 apple serving of the apple and put it in here. And I'm going to take a good handful of the celery. And we want to put that in there. Put it in there. Right, and now we are going to juice this up, okay? Okay, so now we're going to make another batch. Now my friend with me, you want to say hi? This is my little friend that's hanging out with me. You want to say hi? But I'm making juice, so I'm not going to put my hands on you right now, because you want to be cleanly. Oh, I'll show y'all a video of him at the end. I know y'all hear him, right? You gonna have some juice? Okay, so now we are going to make another batch. And again, I'm not going to use too much celery. I'm not going to use too much parsley. And I'm going to take some of the kale. I'm not using too much of the kale. Taking let me take the other apple. And a good handful of the celery. And that will be it. And let's juice this up. What are you doing over there? What are you doing? This looks like this is about 20 ounces of a little bit, and I probably, made a juice like this before, but sometimes juices that are the same could have different portions of the ingredients, which can make it have a difference in the taste and even the nutritional value. So I am going to try some of this, and of course you can strain your juice. But for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and enjoy it just the way it is, because it's all edible anyway. Okay, so I also want this is really good, and it definitely the lime, which I love, dominates, and it just tastes nice and sweet. And from the apple, of course the green apple dominates, of course, and the lime. And I love parsley. For spring, I'm going to create a lot of recipes with parsley in them. So definitely be sure to go to my website, to my blog, and you can read more about a natural approach to anxiety. And again, it's very common in our society, and there is definitely a benefit, a significant benefit, when you allow yourself to intake more fruits and vegetables and other foods. And I put that information on the blog about that and more. And I am going to go ahead and continue to enjoy this. And as always, continue to be well, be blessed, be true to yourself. Peace, Divines.